Assalamu alaikum, good morning. Today we are going to learn letter B. What we are going to learn? Letter B. And what is the sound of letter B? Let's sing the sound. Bring your bat and bring your ball. B, b. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. B. So what is the sound of B? B. Okay, let's learn the letter formation of B. First, we are going to write the uppercase B. I'm going to make a standing line on first 3 lines and then backward semicircle on first 2 lines, then one more backward semicircle. So on first 3 lines, we have written letter B, uppercase B. Let's practice to write the lowercase b, make a standing line on first 3 lines and a backward semicircle on middle 2 lines. This is lowercase b. Okay, ji. Now let's learn the things which have b sound in them. Okay, can you see what is this? This is banana. Banana. Banana starts with sound b. Bat. What is this? Bat. 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 Ball. 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 And this is boat. Boat. Boat gives the sound boat. And this is basket. What is this? Basket. 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 And this is book. 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 Here you can see a bag. 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 And this is butterfly. Butterfly. Blocks. Blocks. Here you can see bee. 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 And this is bottle. 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 So what we have learned today, letter B. Here you can see a bone. Bone starts with sound bone. I hope you enjoyed today's session. Thank you so much.